Hi everyone, in this course we'll see and we'll solve the quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? What's the formula of the quadratic equation? Simple enough, it is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where x is the unknown factor, a, b and c are the coefficients, and we also need to have a not 0. So how do we solve this? We need to calculate the discriminant delta. Delta, the discriminant, is equal to b squared minus 4 times ac. So after we calculate the discriminant delta, we need to make a fast check. Delta is going to be one of three cases. It's going to be either negative, either positive, or equal to 0. So again, the discriminant will either be less than 0, so it's going to be negative, or greater than 0, so it's going to be positive, or equal to 0. So if it is less than 0, and we are solving the equation, the quadratic equation in the real numbers, we say that there is no solution, there is no solution in the real numbers R. But there is a solution, but there are two different solutions in the complex number set, in complex numbers. That's the first case. It's either this, depending, or this one, depending in which set we are solving the equation. Are we solving it in R? There is no solution. Are we solving it in C? There are two different solutions. A small notifier, today I'm not going to show you how to solve in C, but we will focus in R. In a future video we will see an example how it's being solved in C. So, next case, let's say it's greater than 0, that's positive. There are two different solutions in the real numbers R, which are given by the formula x1 and x2 equal to minus b plus minus square root of the discriminant divided by 2 times a. And finally, the third case, when the discriminant is equal to 0, there are two solutions, but they are the same. So in fact, we have one solution, but it's being shown two times. So I'm going to write down there is one dual solution in R, which is given by the same formula, this one, but this time x1 is equal to x2 is equal to minus b plus minus square root of delta divided by 2a, but since the discriminant is 0, this means that this part is going to be 0. So in other words, that's what is left. Minus b divided by 2a. One fast thing I need to show you here is that once we have found x1 and x2, then the quadratic equation ax squared plus b times x plus c can be factored like this: x minus x1 times x minus x2. So that's the formula for the quadratic equation. In the following course, I'll show you exactly 3 examples in each case, for the negative discriminant, for the positive discriminant, and for the equal to 0 discriminant. So stay tuned for the next one. If you find my videos helpful, it helps me a lot if you like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.